Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a photo album on the application Photos on a Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the Photos application, a couple of photos, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, click on Photos, and then make sure we have photos added to iPhoto or Photos as they now call it, and then go to the sidebar where we see albums. We can click the plus or right click My Albums, New Album, New Smart Folder, New Folder, or Sort. Click on New Album and then change the album name from the sidebar or from the main page, from Untitled Album to anything of your choice. In this case, the topic is computer science videos. And that's what we have changed the title to. Go back to Photos, go to Moments, go to the 5 photos we have, right click, add to computer science videos, and then go back to My Albums, computer science videos, and now we have the photos added to the folder. On Photos, quit Photos. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.